Hello everybody, this is Jacob with Nexus, and welcome to 335 Broad Street, Unit 3R, located in Cumberland, Rhode Island. This is a third floor studio apartment located to the right of the building. And before I begin the walkthrough, I'd like to remind everybody as always to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel so you can keep up to date with all of the listings available on our site, and of course any news related to real estate and property management. Thank you very much. So, we're going to begin the walkthrough of this apartment right in the studio room. As you can see, it's a nice centralized room. Leads to the entryway, bathroom, and kitchen area. Another thing you'll notice right away upon move-in is that the apartment has been freshly painted and houses a newer laminate wood flooring all throughout. So this studio apartment has been updated recently. Looks fantastic. And you have lots of room in the studio room for any kind of customization you like to have. So you could probably fit a queen size bed in here, no problem at all. But of course, if you'd like a couple more pieces of furniture in here, a standard size bed set work just fine. Stand right over here and give you guys another shot of just how nice and open the studio room is. It's also got plenty of windows for lots of natural light to come right in as it brightens up the room, as you can see. You also have the wall mounted radiator heat right over here. And since it's such a small apartment, it won't be that hard to be able to keep it warm during the winter. So it'll save you lots of money on the heat bill. Awesome. This room also has plenty of outlets for any kind of electronics you like to have as well, and has an additional closet space for some extra storage added to this apartment. Alright. Cool. Next up, we'll go ahead and look at the kitchen area, located just off of the studio room. It's a little bit of a smaller kitchen area, but obviously houses the necessities. The appliances in here include the small refrigerator right over here. And you also have right next to that the small 4-burner gas stove and oven. And you got plenty of storage in this kitchen as well, with all the closet or cabinet space up above and below. And the nice little shelf space right in between. You also have the single bin stainless steel sink and a little bit of extra countertop space, just in case. So once again, this is a smaller kitchen area, but with the cabinets, got plenty of room for storage. Alright. Last but not least, we'll go ahead and look at the bathroom, which is housed right next to the entryway, which is right through that door over there. Let's go ahead and look in here. Now, this is a smaller bathroom space, obviously, but once again, houses the necessities to make it a fully fledged bathroom. As you can see, once again, it's got the fresh paint job and the newer laminate flooring. And it's also got the small mirror medicine cabinet vanity up above, the small sink set. Has an extra cabinet for some storage. Alright. And right around the corner is the stand-up shower for this apartment. Right over here. Very nice. Got lots of room in the stand-up shower. Alright. So once again, this is 335 Broad Street, Unit 3R, located in Cumberland, Rhode Island. And before I go, I'd like to remind everybody once again to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel so you can keep up to date with all the listings that we have available on our site. And of course, any news related to real estate and property management. Thank you very much.